Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for practical, portable tech solutions. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best 10-inch portable overhead DVD player you can buy right now. The DBPOWER 11.5 Portable DVD Player. Whether you're planning a family road trip, want to keep the kids entertained, or just need a versatile entertainment device that doesn't rely on Wi-Fi, this compact unit packs a punch. At first glance, the DBPOWER player strikes a fine balance between portability and screen real estate. Though marketed as an 11.5-inch device, what you're working with is a crisp 9-inch LCD screen housed in a sleek 11.5-inch frame. The screen supports 800 by 480 resolution and has full swivel capabilities, a 270-degree rotation and 180-degree flip. This makes it perfect for mounting to the back of a car headrest or simply propping it up like a tablet for solo viewing. It's built to adapt to almost any viewing situation. One of the highlights of this DVD player is its wide range of media compatibility. JPEG image support is also included. And yes, it's region-free, so it doesn't matter where your discs are from, they'll play. Mobility is where this DVD player really shines. The built-in 2,500 mAh rechargeable lithium battery offers up to 5 hours of continuous playback. And if that's not enough, you also get a 1.8-meter car charger and a standard wall power adapter. Whether you're flying, driving, or lounging at home, you've got 3 solid options to keep it powered on and running. The DBPOWER DVD player includes dual stereo speakers that deliver surprisingly loud and clear audio for a unit of this size. For more private listening, there's a standard 3.5mm headphone jack on the side. Whether you're in the car or at home, the sound quality is more than sufficient for most use cases. It also comes with a remote control, so you can easily operate it without having to touch the screen. Great if it's mounted in the car. And for added convenience, it has a breakpoint memory feature. This means it will automatically resume from the last scene you watched, so there's no need to scroll or fast forward every time you power it on. This player is ideal for families on the go, especially those with young kids. It's also great for anyone who travels frequently or just wants a simple, standalone device to watch their favorite shows and movies. No apps, no subscriptions. Just pop in a disc or a USB drive and press play. So there you have it, the DBPOWER 11.5 Portable DVD Player. A compact, versatile, and well-rounded device that earns its spot as the best 10-inch portable overhead DVD player on the market today. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more hands-on tech insights. Thanks for watching.